I was using spreadsheets to keep track of the schedules for each of my projects, and it did feel overwhelming and a bit chaotic at that point in time, especially because I was still getting my feet around how to run a business. I definitely felt like I needed some sort of solution that was going to streamline that area of the business so I could dedicate more time to marketing, because I knew marketing was going to be so important in those early days. My name's Alessandra Smith and I'm the principal designer of Alessandra Smith Design. I have been a solo practitioner for just over 2 years. Prior to embarking on this career as an interior decorator, I was actually a pharmacist. So it's been a huge career change for me. I started using Programa about 1 year into my business. The reason why I made the decision to switch to Programa was really when I saw its capabilities around its scheduling and how effectively the web clipping tool could take information from suppliers' websites and bring that straight into the schedule. I was immediately sold. At the start of a project, I put together a rudimentary style budget, and what I'm putting in are all the pieces that have come from the scope of work that's been approved by the client. Programa really does assist me in making sure that the projects that I'm putting together are sticking to the client's budget. I do use Programa to house all the information around each of the pieces that I'm procuring, the spec sheets for the piece, the invoices, everything relating to that particular item. I can easily retrieve that particular piece of information and not have to go through different files. I know I can see the image of the item that I'm looking for in my Programa schedule, and I just go to my attachments and all the information that I need is there. It really is an extension of my brand, and it's important that the back end of my business is as beautiful as the product that I'm putting together for my clients. Programa gives me the confidence to grow my business because I feel like it's scalable now, in the sense that I can take on more projects because the program just runs so efficiently, so beautifully. I now have 8 projects in there that I'm working across, and I couldn't imagine juggling that many projects in the way that I was doing it before Programa.